In this problem, students are asked to verify that the quantity x plus y plus z is equal to the quantity z plus y plus x. While most students will assert that the expressions are equivalent, the use of the associative and commutative properties of addition are needed to verify this. Using a flow diagram can help the students organize their thinking to verify this equivalency. Before they start to use a flow diagram, it's important to remind them to keep the goal in mind, which is to transform this expression into this one. Now, here's an example of a flow diagram that can be used in two different ways to verify the equivalency, using the associative property as the first step. So we can see here that the grouping symbols have been rearranged so that they're grouped around y plus z in this first step. Then if we trace this upper path of the flow diagram, we can see the commutative property is used to interchange the y and z inside the parentheses, and then the commutative property is used to interchange the positions of the x and the quantity z plus y, giving us our goal. If we trace this bottom path, we can see the commutative property of addition is first used to interchange the positions of the x and the y plus z here. And then the commutative property is used again to interchange the positions of y plus z inside of the parentheses. And we arrive at the same goal. This flow diagram shows two different solution paths that could be used to verify the equivalency using the commutative property first. So if we trace this upward path, we can see that what's done first is the x and y change places using the commutative property of addition to take us here. And then the commutative property is used again to interchange the positions of y plus x and z. Finally, the associative property is used to transfer the grouping symbols so that they're around z plus y, which gets us to our goal. If we trace the lower path, we can see that the commutative property is used first to interchange the positions of z and x plus y. Then the commutative property is used to interchange the positions of y and x inside the parentheses. And finally, the associative property of addition is used to regroup z plus y inside the parentheses, again, taking us to our goal. So these two flowcharts show 4 different ways that the commutative and associative properties of addition can be used to verify the equivalency in the problem.